Latest crypto and NFT news. Southern New York court rules criminal charges against Alameda CEO Ellison and Gary Wang. The Southern District Court of New York has ruled out criminal charges against the CEO of Alameda Research, Ellison, along with co-founder Gary Wang for their involvement in the FTX collapse. The announcement was made by U.S. Attorney Damian Williams. He also shared that both Ellison and Wang have pleaded guilty to these charges and are ready to cooperate with the investigations. Ellison has committed 7 counts of wire fraud, money laundering, and securities fraud. On the other hand, Wang is held guilty of 4 counts of fraud. According to Williams, the ex-CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, who was previously arrested by Bahamas authorities, is in FBI custody and is coming to the U.S. He will be presented in front of the same court soon. Visit our website for more news.